Hello everyone, today you can see this is our project Southern Vista. It's a bungalow project by Rajat, Primark and Ria, and you can see this is the lawn, entry lawn of this project, beautifully designed. And now you can see this is our model bungalow apartment. As you can see, this is the entry lobby. On entry you can have a staircase like this, and this side is our sales office. Now see, on the entry you can have the video door phone, and this is the living room, excellently designed for maximum utilization of light and air. And this side you can see, you can decorate your TV unit over here. And beautifully crafted living space with a window this side. And you can see this video door phone over here. Now moving forward, you can see this is the dining hall. So this side, this is the dining hall space. And just adjacent to the dining hall, you can see this is the space for study. Beautifully crafted. And this is the staircase area. I will come later. And now see, this is the first bedroom. So come this side. So we are entering into the first bedroom. Excellently designed smart bedroom with a square size. And you can see the bedroom space. And with this bedroom you will be also getting a personal lobby space or lawn space. This is the personal lawn space. You can see the width of the lawn. It's beautifully crafted. And not only that, in this bedroom also you will be having a wardrobe space like this. You can decorate like this. A huge wardrobe space like this one. Now come outside. So again, just beside the dining, here is the first toilet, which will be the common toilet with wall mount commode, geyser points, exhaust point and basin area, and the separate space for bath. And just adjacent to the living room you can also have your kitchen space. It's an excellently designed kitchen. Come inside the kitchen. This is the kitchen space with parallel kitchen platform with trolleys like this, with chimney hub and wardrobe. And this side you will be having your separate space for refrigerator with all electrical fittings, and the granite countertop will be provided with this modular switches. This is the area for your washing machine or dry area. You can utilize this as your service balcony. This side you will be having your personal lawn space. You can also utilize this as your private garden. And this is the actual site just behind that. So it's a beautiful kitchen with having every facilities and electrical fittings provided, and the size of this kitchen is hefty. Now come outside again. So now we are going upstairs on the first floor. So come. So we are entering into the first floor area. So this is the first floor area, and on entry this is the guest area or the living space. You can see beautifully crafted living space with having provision for TV unit over here, and a very big size French window also. Now come inside the second bedroom. This side you will be having your master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. It's a king size bed with a excellently decorated square size master bedroom with having a very big size French window. And also to mention you that with this window you will be having a sitting area like this. And see this side, this is the master bedroom. You will be having your private dressing space over here. This is the TV unit space, and this is the private dressing area with a huge wardrobe like this. It's a huge wardrobe. The size of this wardrobe is approximately 12 feet by 3 feet. Now this side, this is the attached toilet space with separate basin space, wall mount commode, and this is the separate shower space with beautiful air and light. And see, this is the private dressing space. And see this side, all the switches will be provided. This is to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment, your private bungalow. Now come this side again. So this is the third bedroom or second master bedroom. Beautifully crafted second master bedroom with huge space, lawn space, private lawn space. Not only that, this bedroom is also having another attached toilet area like this. This is the attached toilet area with separate space for bath, wall mount commode, and the geyser space also. And see the private deck or private lawn, beautifully crafted private lawn. And not only that, from this lawn you can see this is the EM bypass southern part. This is the EM bypass southern part. Excellently located project on EM bypass, so no need to worry about the connectivity. Now come inside again. So this is the wardrobe space, beautiful wardrobe space. And see the bedroom again. It's a huge bedroom with having a size of 12 feet by 12 feet. And now come again. We are going towards the terrace. So this is the terrace space. So we are entering into the terrace, and this is the terrace area. This is your private terrace or personal terrace, because the bungalow is separated. So this is the terrace area, and this side you will be having another toilet space, provision for toilet. It will be given from the builder side, and this is the boundary, this side. And see the terrace, it's beautiful terrace. Not only that, you can also see the EM bypass running just parallel to the project. And this side your private lawn space, and this is the boundary of your bungalow. So it's a excellently located project with having 5-star luxury amenities and facilities. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family members. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please call us for great offers. We are giving some excellent discounts currently. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.